Welcome to our channel, guys. Realize Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. So we already have a pholourie video and a mango sour. Today we're gonna be doing another pholourie video, but this time it's gonna be with the quick mix. We had a request for a pholourie with the quick mix. And as you can see there, we're using a Guyana brand pholourie mix. We are also going to be making the mango sour, and this time also we have a mango sour recipe, and this time we're going to be using the half-ripe mangoes, which is going to make your mango sour look yellow color. And that's the way you get your mango sour. With the color, you have to use a half-ripe mango, which is a bit yellow. So that's what we're going to be making today, guys. Stay tuned. And this is a fast pholourie. Of course, it's not as good as the pholourie that you grind the dal, soak the dal and grind it, make it with that. But this is good as well, and is best for when you're in a hurry and you don't have the time to soak your peas and stuff overnight, and grinding and so on. So this is a quick thing. So to begin with, guys, this pholourie, this packet here, it's 10 ounces, 10.6 ounces, 300 grams. So this calls for 1 cup water, which is equivalent to 250 milliliters of water. And we're going to mix it in, and it says to leave it to stand for 5 minutes. So that is what your mix looks like. You can see the yellowness of the peas in there, I guess. So this pholourie mix has salt and everything inside, guys. You're only supposed to add the water, and if you want to add some scallions and pepper and so on and mix it in, like you will do with your normal way of making pholourie, you can do that as well. So we're going to add our water now. 1 cup of water we have here. So you have this kind of pholourie. You have the one that you grind the dal and you soak the dal, grind it. You have this one with the ready mix, pholourie mix. And you also have flour pholourie. Alright, so that looks good. All mixed in. So that's it. We're going to leave this as the packet says to stand for 5 minutes. So we're going to put this aside. So there we're adding 3 cups of water for our mango sour. We're going to heat that up. We're going to be frying our pholourie in this karahi. Our water is boiling away already, so we're going to add our mangoes and our pepper to make the sour. So we're also adding a seed in there. So that's 1 mango, guys, we cut up there. And to this we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic. 1 more clove. And now for some salt. That was about a tablespoon of salt. So we're just going to let this boil now. In the meanwhile, our pholourie is sitting, waiting for 5 minutes. So our sour or mango is boiled. This is done. So you only have to mash this up now. So we've torn off the sole. So you want to use your potato masher and mash this. So you see the color it's got. That's when you use the half-ripe mango. As opposed to the green one, you won't have this color, right? But that's looking yummy, guys. A little leak. So that's it there, guys. We added a little bit more salt. We tasted. You can taste yours to see if you need some more salt or pepper. And we've added a bit more salt to ours. And this mango sour is ready. and it's looking yummy. So you see the color that I told you about when you use the half-ripe mangoes, right? So that's it there for this hour. We're gonna go work on the pholourie now. Adding some oil to our karahi to heat up. Our oil is hot, friends, so it's time to fry the pholourie. So this is our mix. So someone was saying that with the ready mix, your pholourie comes out smoother, so we're gonna see. So we're testing out the oil. So time for action now. Yeah, someone with our first pholourie video said that the fact that our pholourie was round and smooth, that they thought it had to be the ready mix, because it was hard to get your pholourie smooth when you grind the dal and you mix it yourself. So, but our pholourie comes out very smooth. The ones that we mix, they soak the dal and grind it and make the mixture ourselves. Comes out very smooth. And round. So as you can see, the technique Molly is using. There. So look at how she's throwing it in, see there? Giving you guys every angle, so there you go. There you go. So that's how you do it. So taking out the first set now. So with the pholourie mix, the pholourie doesn't get as dark as when you grind the dal and make it. So these are the finished ones. And they're smooth. See? Maybe even smoother than the other one, but it's all good. So this is our finished product, guys. This is the instant mix pholourie right here. And we're gonna break into one to show you. So there you go. Right, so that's it, guys. I've tasted this pholourie, and it doesn't taste as good as the one that you would grind this piece from scratch and make it, but it's definitely not bad. You know, you can, if you're out of time or whatever, you can surely make this for your functions, occasions, and whatever. So there's our Pholouri and Mango Sour, guys. Looking yummy. So this is an instant mix, guys. This recipe was requested by Maria Singh. So here it is, the instant mix pholourie. So if you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click on the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.